Hey everybody, and welcome back to Joe's Multi-Tool and Bushcraft. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Leatherman style CS mini multi-tool. Okay, this is just a one-item package. There you have a look at it right there. This item costs roughly $40 Canadian on Amazon. The item weight is roughly 41.1 grams or 1.4 ounces. The features include spring action scissors, a file, a knife that's made out of 420HC steel, tweezers, bottle opener, and mini screwdriver. Let's just go over these items in a little bit more detail. Here's the spring assisted scissors. Right there. And let's go over the tools here. There's your knife. These tools are not on a liner lock, by the way. Okay. And the file. And the flathead is at the top of the file there. What else we have? Here's the bottle opener. The bottle opener is right in the clip here. So there, that's that part right there. And the tweezers are hidden right in the handle here. Now this is a very small item. So I would just clip it on to your keychain here. And boom. Now, let's talk about the steel real quick. The steel, the 420HC steel, is a budget and versatile stainless steel. The 420 steel with HC, or high carbon, makes it a bit harder. However, it is still considered a softer steel. In terms of quality, 420HC steel is rated as a lower to mid-range steel. But here's the benefits to using it for a blade. It's easy to sharpen, and it retains a decent edge. So let's do a little cut test with the knife. Grab some paracord here. Okay, it wasn't too bad of a cut for a little knife like that. And see how good it cuts through paper. Okay. Doesn't want to slice through this that well. So you are going to have to sharpen this knife out of the package. Yeah. You're going to want to give it a good sharpen. But that's with most tools when you buy from Amazon. Most of them are just sharp enough to do minimal work. The rest of it's up to you. Okay, so now let's check out these spring-assisted scissors here and see how well they cut. Let's just fold the paper. Fold it again. I usually don't carry multi-tools with the scissor kind. Oh, that cuts very nice. Oh, that's a great cut. Awesome cutting job there. Let's see how it cuts through paracord. Okay, the paracord gave it a little bit of problem there. Doesn't quite like going through the paracord. Yeah. Has a hard time going through every single strain. Oh, did better that time. You got to find the sweet spot sometimes. Cutting through the paracord. Alright, that's not it. Okay, so it's a matter of finding that sweet spot in the blades. Generally does not want to go through it. Yeah. So I would just use the knife to cut through the paracord anyway. Okay guys, that was a closer look at the Leatherman Style CS Mini Multi-Tool. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Like, subscribe, share, hit the notifications button, and come back soon to Joe's Multi-Tool and Bushcraft.